10 Best Tonneau Cover for Ram 1500 with Rambox 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover F. 150 2015 to 2020. Elevate your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150's functionality and style with the Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. Crafted with pride in the USA, its robust, scratch-resistant aluminum panels provide superior security, automatically locking your valuable cargo out of sight. Forget complex installations. You'll have this sleek, low-profile cover mounted in under 30 minutes. No tools or drilling required. But it's not just about looks and easy setup. Our integrated water management system and unique seal design proactively channel rain, snow, and dust away, ensuring your truck bed remains impeccably dry and clean. Experience unparalleled protection and convenience, enhancing every journey. Number 9. Retrax Pro MX Retractable Tonneau 2019 to 2021 Ram 1500 Rambox. It appears there's a mix-up with the product features. The details provided, e.g., satin nickel with white porcelain handle, 3-inch center to center, describe a cabinet pull, not the Retrax Pro MX Retractable Tonneau for 2019 to 2021 Ram 1500 Rambox. To craft an accurate and compelling description for the Retrax Pro MX Tonneau cover, I need its specific features. Please provide details on materials, e.g., heavy-duty aluminum, security, weather resistance, operation, Rambox compatibility, and any unique Retrax Pro MX benefits. Once supplied, I can craft an expert description highlighting how these features benefit a Ram 1500 Rambox owner. Number 8. Tyger T1 Soft Roll-Up Ram Tonneau. Secure and protect your Ram truck bed with the Tyger T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau. Engineered with a U.S. patented design, this cover features heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade, dual-coated vinyl for unmatched durability against the elements. Its integrated horizontal crossbars roll up smoothly with the tarp, granting you complete bed access when needed. Security is paramount, with a robust latch lock system and side Velcro strips ensuring your cargo stays safe. An adjustable tension system keeps the cover perfectly tight and wrinkle-free, rain or shine. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling for a quick upgrade. Experience premium protection and unparalleled convenience with the Tyger T1. Number 7. Tyger T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover for Ram Trucks. Elevate your Ram's utility with the Tyger T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. Engineered with a U.S. patented design, this cover combines rugged durability with effortless functionality. You'll appreciate the heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, dual-coated for ultimate weather protection, paired with robust aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps. It's truly built to last. Its pre-assembled crossbars provide excellent cargo support, yet conveniently fold up, granting full bed access for those oversized hauls. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling thanks to the included hardware and clear instructions. Protect your gear, enhance your truck's look, and enjoy unmatched convenience. The T3 is the smart choice for any Ram owner. Number 6. Amazon's Choice, Top Pick. Meet Amazon's Choice, Top Pick, the tonneau cover engineered for ultimate performance and enhanced utility. This U.S. patented, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl provides unmatched durability and superior weather protection, reliably safeguarding your cargo from all elements. Its clever built-in crossbars offer firm support when flat, yet effortlessly roll up into the cover, ensuring complete, unobstructed bed access in mere seconds. Installation is remarkably straightforward. Absolutely no drilling is required, and all necessary hardware along with clear, step-by-step instructions are thoughtfully included. Secure Velcro side strips and a robust tailgate latch, combined with an adjustable tension system, ensure your cover remains perfectly tight, wrinkle-free, and your valuables safe and secure through any journey. Experience premium protection, simplified. Number 5. 2015 to 2020 Ford F-155.5-foot Soft Roll-Up Tonneau. Elevate your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-155.5-foot with our U.S. patented soft roll-up tonneau cover, designed for durability and convenience. Its heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and robust aircraft-grade aluminum side rails protect cargo from the elements. Built-in horizontal crossbars and an adjustable tension system keep the cover taut and wrinkle-free. Roll the cover up with crossbars for full bed access and maximum space. Simple, no-drill installation with all hardware included gets you on the road quickly. Secure Velcro strips and a tailgate latch system ensure peace of mind. It's the perfect blend of protection, practicality, and sleek style for your F-150. Number 4. 2019 to 2026 Silverado Sierra 1500 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Protect your 2019 to 2026 Silverado or Sierra 1500 with our U.S. patented soft roll-up tonneau cover, engineered for superior performance. Constructed with heavy-duty, dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and robust aircraft-grade aluminum rails, this cover provides unmatched durability and cargo protection. The integrated crossbars roll up with the tarp, granting you effortless full bed access when you need it most. Security is paramount, featuring a reliable latch lock system at the tailgate and secure Velcro side seals. Our innovative, adjustable tension system ensures your cover remains taut and wrinkle-free through any weather, maintaining a sleek, professional look. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no drilling and including all necessary hardware. Equip your truck with a cover designed for resilience and everyday convenience. Number 3. UnderCover Elite One-Piece Tonneau for 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500. Elevate your 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500, 5 feet 7 inches bed, excludes multi-function tailgate, with the USA-made UnderCover Elite Tonneau. More than a cover, it's a seamless upgrade. Its sleek, integrated handle matches your truck, offering effortless access. Integrated locking transforms your truck bed into a secure vault, protecting against theft and prying eyes. Patented X-Effect infrastructure and UV-protected ABS composite ensure incredible strength and durability. A robust double-seal system defies all weather. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year structural guarantee and US-based support. Experience ultimate style, security, and weather protection. Number 2. UnderCover Elite One-Piece Tonneau for Ram 1500 Classic. Elevate your 2009 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic short bed with the UnderCover Elite One-Piece Tonneau. Engineered for a perfect 5 feet 7 inches fit, this cover isn't just an accessory, it's an upgrade. Experience unmatched security with its integrated locking system, transforming your truck bed into a veritable vault. Rain, sleet, or snow are no match for the robust, UV-protected ABS composite construction and double seal, ensuring your cargo stays dry. The patented X-Effect infrastructure delivers incredible strength, while the new integrated handle offers effortless, stylish operation designed to match your truck. Proudly made in the USA, the Elite is backed by a 3-year structural guarantee and US-based support, giving you total confidence in your purchase. Protect your gear with unparalleled durability and sleek design. Number 1. Ram 1500 RollTrac Electric Retractable Tonneau. Elevate your Ram 1500 with the RollTrac Electric Retractable Tonneau, designed for unmatched convenience and protection. Experience effortless access to your truck bed with its quick, electric roll-up design, allowing partial or full opening for any cargo. Your gear stays secure and dry, thanks to robust locking mechanisms, reinforced construction, and weather-sealed protection against all elements. Crafted from durable aluminum slats and UV-resistant vinyl, this cover is built to last. Its sleek, low profile enhances aerodynamics, potentially boosting your fuel efficiency and undoubtedly elevating your truck's appearance. Protect your valuable cargo and preserve your truck bed from damage, a smart investment that even increases your Ram's resale value. So, that sums up my 10 best tonneau cover for Ram 1500 with Rambox. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next